This lesson is Math Lesson 3.1, Add in any order. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can tell what happens when the order of the add-ins change places. So here we have some squares, and we're going to color some blue. So I'm going to color, here we go. We're going to color some blue. And then we're going to color some red. All right. So now let's write a number sentence for that. Let's see. Let's count how many blue I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 blue. And how many red do I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 red. And that's going to equal, let's count how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 altogether. So when I add, I can change my add-ins. And add-ins are numbers that I add. So that the numbers that we're adding today are 7 and 6. So I'm going to change their spots. And I'm going to flip and make the red come first. So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to color in 6 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to color in 6 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to color in 7 blue. Sometimes we call these flip-flop facts. We also call them turnaround facts. The real name for them is communicative facts. So we use the communicative property, which is we turn around the add-ins. So on this one, I started with my 6 red plus my 7 blue. And if you notice, I still have the same amount total. I did not take any away or add any to it, so I would still have 13. So if you notice on here, my 7 switched places with my 6. But my answer, the sum, stays the same. So here we go. We're going to write 2 facts for our picture. So let's count how many brown bunnies there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 brown bunnies. And now let's count how many gray bunnies there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 gray bunnies. So now I want to know how many there are altogether. Well, I know there are 8 up here, and I'm going to keep counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have 14 altogether. Now, this time I want to have the gray bunnies come first. And remember, we had 6 gray bunnies. Plus, I had 8 brown bunnies. And once again, I still have 14 altogether. So, as you can see, I changed. So as you can see, I changed the order of my add-ins, the numbers that I'm adding, but my answer stays the same. Let's try one more. We need to figure out what 9 plus 5 is. So I'm going to draw a picture. So I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I need 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I see when I added them that I have a group of 10 right here, and I have some extras. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So now I need a communicative property. I need to do a flip-flop act. So what number would come on the top? If you said 5 blue, awesome job. So what number would come next? 9, good job. So what is the sum or the answer of that? If you said 14, great job. Remember, we can change the order of our add-ins, but when we change the order of our add-ins, the sum stays the same. It does not change. Let's try this one. We need to know what 6 plus 8 is. So let's draw a picture of it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's draw our 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once again, I look and we made a group of 10 here, and we have some more, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14. So now we need to use the communicative property and come up with our other fact. So what number would come on the top? If you said 8, great job. What number comes after that? If you said 6, awesome. So what would our answer be? What is our sum? If you said 14, great job. Remember, we can change the order of our add-ins, but our answer, our sum, stays the same. Awesome job learning today.